Hey guys, welcome to question MM312 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So this question says find an antiderivative of 1 over 3x take 4 to the power of 3 with respect to x. So pretty much what we're doing is this. Okay, so we've got to evaluate this. Alright, so because this is a linear factor, and I'm sure you've seen me do a couple of these videos by now, if you haven't, let's go through it. So if this is a linear factor, we can do a shortcut here. So what we want to do first is actually make this into a negative indice. A negative index. The reason why is because we don't want this to be on the bottom. It's a bit too confusing. So this is the same as to the power of negative 3, right? This is one of our index laws. If you're not familiar with that, please get familiar with it because it is quite important for these sort of questions. So our shortcut is we integrate this as we normally would with just any other polynomial. So we get 3x take 4, so we just leave that the same. Add 1 to the power, which is negative 2, so negative 3 plus 1, negative 2, divide by that new power, so divide by negative 2, and then we actually multiply, so we take this coefficient of x and we multiply it to the bottom. So we get multiplied by 3, okay? So that's our first mark, which means that we get 3x take 4 to the power of negative 2 over negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. But we don't want this negative index in our final answer. So I'm going to say that we have negative 1. I'm just moving that negative to the top. I like having the negatives on the top. Doesn't really matter either way. And we get 6 on the bottom and then 3x take 4 to the power of 2. Okay, so whenever we've got a negative index, we can move that whole thing to the bottom. That's our second and final mark. Guys, this is our final answer for this question. Please hit me up if you have any questions in the comments below. But otherwise, that's it for this question.